time. It's time for the light round. Wait a second. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Now it's time for the light round. We're going to start with Jim in Florida. Jim.
Jimmy Chill. I want to start off by thanking you and all your staff for all the help.
Smart really people, my staff. Fantastic.
They're wonderful. Just like you love Bar San Miguel, I love the courtside of Pelican Marsh in Naples. I just wanted to get that in, but I wanted to ask a question. I sold my position in JPMorgan about a year ago.
Okay.
I've been wanting to get into banking stocks. I looked at Citigroup, I looked at JPMorgan today, and XLF. Is Citigroup a buy at this point?
I'd rather see it in JPMorgan all the way down here than I would in Citi. Citi has a 4% yield, but I still don't understand the disparity between the book value and the actual stock, so I'm going to say no to Citi, yes to JP. Let's go to Sam, Pennsylvania. Sam.
Jim, before I begin, I would just like to say mazel tov to my sister Bailey and her new husband Ben. They got married this weekend, so mazel tov to them. Now, anyway, Jim, I got a stock that is not being covered by analysts, and it sits at the integration of data centers, AI, and infrastructure build-out. That's IES Holdings.
Okay, I know the company, and it's the right spot. I'm going to throw in two for Do Quanta. I tell you, that company, Jeff Candel's the CEO, a very smart guy. That company has come down with the so-called end of the data center. The data center's not over, nor is that stock. Let's go to Craig in Tennessee. Craig.
Jim, great to be on your show, man. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I'm interested in quantum computing and what it can do for AI. So I'm looking ahead. Like, I want to look way ahead. Like, what's IBM up to these days?
Look, IBM is doing quite well. By the way, we were playing around with Watson which is unbelievable when it comes to ESPN and your league. I just get more and more impressed. I know it's as the stock goes higher, but look, there's no doubt about it. Arvind Krishna has really reinvented the company. He's doing a terrific job. Let's go to Mustafa in Ohio. Mustafa.
Hey, hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you, buddy?
Good. I acquired AAT at the share price of around $50. It has since decreased by 12. Should I add to my position for cost averaging, hold, or sell?
You're going to hold it. That company's not a great operator. I can't put you anymore. I cannot have you put any more money in that operator. If the stock goes up, then you can be able to get a chance to sell. Let's go to BJ in California. BJ.
Good afternoon, Jim, and thanks for your kindness and all the knowledge you've got all these years.
Thank you for calling in.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Listen, I have a quick question, sir. On the energy sector, I mean, where are we going to the end of the year? Right now, it's
well, look, I think that right now the stars are aligned to send energy lower. Which stock do you want to know about?
I'm deeply invested in Devon and Exxon Mobil.
Okay, Devon's actually cheaper than Exxon Mobil. Exxon Mobil is expensive. It only had yields at 3.4%. It's not that much better than Chevron, which yields 4.7%. But they're both going down. This is not the moment to own oil. It is finally cratering because the demand was never there. I didn't understand why it was up so much. Let's go to Kieran in Texas. Kieran.
Hey, Jim. Good evening. My name is Kieran, long-time follower and first-time caller. Thank you for all your advices and guidance. Would like to know about AMR, Alpha Metallurgical Resources. The companies keep falling down for the last few months. Are there any issues, or is this a good time to buy or hold up sell?
Alpha, no. Look, metals and mine, we're in a deflationary environment. It's not where you want to be right now. I'm sorry. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, own it, don't trade it, but don't stop the homework. Cramer on Apple. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.